Hey, what up my cruisers? It's the theAZcruiser, and today I'm gonna be showing you this Element E50 fire extinguisher, which I picked up on Amazon. Link's gonna be in the description. So, good thing about this, you can use this in multiple places. You can use this in your home, car, motorcycle, apartment, office, sailboat, garage, barbecue, when you go camping. So obviously we're going to be doing a lot of camping and road trips in this vehicle. So I already have like one of those fire extinguishers you can get from like Costco. It's like one of the small ones. This one right here. It's not really first alert. I have one of these in the performance. See, expires September 26, 2023. You guys can read that right there. So if you know about fire extinguishers, they have an expiration date, most of them. The reason I picked this one up is it doesn't have an expiration date. It's non-toxic and it's eco-friendly as well. So you can use this in the environment. You know, instructions, simple. You twist that, twist the bottom out, strike that, and then light it on fire. Light the fire out. See, it says here wood. You can use this on wood, coal, trash, flammable liquids and greases, electrical up to 100,000 volts, cooking oil, grease. 80% smaller with almost 5 times the amount of discharge of a typical traditional fire extinguisher. You can learn more elementfire.com. Now, I'm not sponsored by them, so I'm not really sure on these numbers that they're giving here, but it says tested and proven, so I'm gonna take their word for it. And I just want to show you how it looks like when it comes in a box. I ordered off Amazon. It comes in this little box. It's like simple, kind of cool looking. Now, where am I going to mount this in my rig? All those are my mom's actually. I'm going to throw them away, but I have a mount from Solve Function. I'm not sponsored by him as well, but he makes pretty good products. So, and there's another piece that goes right here. But I might not even put that on there. We're just gonna see right now how it looks like. Make the light brighter in here. All right, there you go. You guys can see, yeah, it's dirty in here. I just got back from a trip. We went to Payson. Probably have that video, link in the description as well. And we just went a little off-roading. Went to Bear Canyon Lake, so if you want to check that out. Links in the description. I might put a little thing up here too, so you guys can check it out and link. But I'm just gonna show you guys how to put this in. So, lights done. Here's how it looks like out of the box. Sorry, it's kind of dark in here. My GoPro light's going out, so I need to charge that up. But I guess you just take these off when you're about to light it on, light the fire out. Has the instructions right here as well. And there's no expiration date. It's made in Italy. So, just put this up here. There you go. That's where I mounted it. So cool little mount Solve Function makes. He has the other part right here, which you tape. I don't know if I can find it. Hold on. See if I can find it. Yeah, no, it's kind of dark in here. Here's the other piece that it comes with from Solve Function. Just 3M tape. Guess I'll just take this off. So I just wanted to go over some of the benefits again of this thing. It's lightweight and can be handled with one hand compared to 2 hands with a regular fire extinguisher. Also, it is way smaller than a regular fire extinguisher, as it only weighs 275 grams compared to 5 pounds with an ordinary fire extinguisher. It's maintenance free as well, so you don't have to do any periodic service on the extinguisher, which is great when you're outdoors. And is also environmentally safe and eco-friendly, and doesn't leave any messy residue. So yeah, we just stuck that on there. I don't know if that 3M tape's gonna hold, but we got this other piece we can use if you want to drill it in. That part is secured. That part's secured from the rear seat belt holders. See, I still have that one on there, and this one I just tucked in here. I didn't take it out. But there you go. That's the E50 Element fire extinguisher in my 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser. So I just want to make a little short video. Probably be doing more camping trips in the future, so stay tuned. If you want to see more content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. All right, AZcruiser out.